Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect a PlayStation controller with your Mac. First thing you need to do is take your PlayStation controller and press and hold on two buttons at once, the PlayStation and the share button, which is here. Keep on pressing until blue light blinks, like that, it starts blinking. So now, on your Mac, you can go into the system settings by clicking on the Apple logo in top left corner, then system settings, then go to Bluetooth, and in nearby devices you should be able to see your wireless controller. Click on connect, and now it's connected. If you want to adjust more settings about it, click on the eye icon here, then click on game controller settings. Now click on your controller here, and you can customize the haptic feedback, the profile if you have multiple controller profiles. You can set a color for the light bar here, and here you can change the controller bindings, and also you can adjust share gestures. Then click on done, and now you can see that on my controller I can, for example, click here to open the launchpad, and I can use it to go through pages of the launchpad, open different games and play them. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.